Experience reliable warmth when you need it most with the Dotek diesel space heater. This 10 kilowatt industrial heater powers through large spaces, delivering rapid, even heat for workshops, building sites, and farms with a generous large fuel tank and a precise digital thermostat from 5 to 55 degrees. See fuel use clearly with the oil level display, feel protected by comprehensive safety features, and enjoy effortless portability. With the reinforced carry handle, you've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience powerful warmth where you need it most with the Dotek indirect diesel space heater, delivering 20 kilowatts of heat with a maximum airflow of 600 cubic meters per hour. It warms workshops, building sites, and farms quickly, while its 38-liter fuel tank keeps operations flowing with an adjustable thermostat, safety protections, and easy portability on large wheels. This is reliable comfort you can depend on. Got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Imagine a fireside companion for the outdoors that brings warmth, light, and a touch of adventure. This 6-liter kerosene heater stove blends high efficiency with safety, boasting a 9,000 British thermal units per hour output to heat spaces up to 215 square feet, while sipping fuel at just 600ths of a gallon per hour for hours on end. It doubles as a stove for boiling and cooking with a visual oil gauge and a flame. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In one word, this 20 kilowatt diesel space heater delivers rapid, even heat to spaces up to 400 cubic meters, from garages to sheds and greenhouses. It runs on diesel or kerosene, sipping fuel at around 1.9 liters per hour, and can heat for up to 10 hours on a full tank. Portable, tough, and built with a thermostatic control and automatic shut-off. Is backed by 3-year warranty. You've got the purchase link, description, and the pinned comment. In the heart of any busy workshop, the Heiser HOE are your first line of warmth. With a mighty 20 kilowatts of heat, it chases away cold fronts across spaces up to 200 square meters, while sipping fuel at just 1 to 1.7 liters per hour and sipping from a generous 19-liter tank for long sessions. Its robust build, X4 protection, auto ignition, and a powerful 595 cubic meters hour airflow ensure even warmth from dawn till dozing time. It runs on diesel or kerosene, a flexible choice for any site. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the 2-inch 1 kerosene heater, a portable indoor heater and stove rolled into one sleek unit. With 9,000 BTU of reliable warmth, it doubles as a compact cooking stove, perfect for emergencies, camping, or keeping a cabin cozy. Its 4.5-liter fuel capacity powers 21 hours of steady heating, while simple controls and sturdy construction keep you safe and in control. You've got the purchase link in the description, the pinned comment. When the chill bites and projects demand focus, the Heiser diesel space heater steps in with unstoppable warmth, delivering 30 kilowatts of heat. A brisk 720 cubic meters per hour of airflow, warms up to 300 square meters fast and evenly. Its sturdy stainless steel tank, auto ignition, safety shut-off, and a hefty 38-liter tank keep the job running longer with minimal pauses. You've got the purchase link, description, and the pinned comment.